Hello lovelies, product review and pearl barley. I think sometimes people don't realise how many plants they actually do consume, because we seem to think that plants means vegetables, but actually when we say let's try and eat more plants, we mean all fruit, all vegetables, all whole grains and all legumes, which is the beans and the lentils. So this is a whole grain. And in fact, barley is something that, mostly you would probably add to your soups, but barley can be cooked up like rice in your rice cooker and used as a rice replacement. So by providing your good gut bacteria with lots of different types of plants, you're actually boosting your immune system. And pearl barley has, all of the fiber and the goodness, which helps to lower cholesterol, helps to, blood sugar levels, balance your blood sugar levels. And it's just another way to get some more variety into your diet. So I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you soon.